Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today we're doing part 2 of putting my Monstera Deliciosa in Leca, you guys. So if you want to continue with me, watch this video, and if you haven't seen part 1, I suggest you watch part 1 to see how I get this beautiful plant from soil into leca. And leca pretty much is clay dust balls that replace soil, so you don't have to deal with any pests, any worms. You can travel and not have to water your plants for weeks. You can go on vacation, not have to worry. So if you guys want to learn how to do all this, stay tuned, subscribe, like this video for more videos, and without further ado, let's start this video, you guys. You guys, I've neglected her. I feel so horrible because it has yellow leaves. Oh my god, I feel horrible. So, and the new leaf hasn't opened for like a week now, so it needs major help. So we're gonna pot it up right now. It's gonna go in here. I know I'm crazy. I bought this little trash can at the 99-cent store, and I kind of folded it because I felt like it was too big, but it might be too small, so I can just pop it right back. My Leca is right here. I know it looks like Cocoa Puffs. It's so funny. I boiled it already. Hopefully it's enough. If not, I'm gonna have to boil more. So the first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of this water. It's not regular water. I put some liquid dirt in there. Oh my god, you guys. Okay. You guys, I'm kind of excited because I see new roots already forming. So that's good. But I also see root rot. Huh. Okay. So we're gonna just chop off the root rot. But right now I'm just gonna measure. Oh, this might be too small. We'll see. I'm gonna have to bend it back, you guys, because it's already looking too small. Anyways, I'm gonna put the plant in the sink because we're gonna have to chop some of the root rot that has been occurring. As I expected, I didn't expect all these to live. These roots look really pretty. There's already some rooting. So that's awesome. I'm happy. Oh, this one looks terrible. Oh, that one just fell off like there's no tomorrow. Some look gooey and some look good. So I'm probably gonna get rid of most of these roots. Like this one. Oh my god. What in the world is she? She just came off like nothing. Okay, you guys, at this point, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna put in here. I'm only gonna put big fenestration monsteras. I'm gonna cut that. Okay. Okay, you guys, so you want to examine each cutting to make sure that there's no root rot. And you can determine this by holding the roots, making sure they're not squishy or falling apart. And like right there, the leaf just came off. It's obviously yellowing, so you want to take that off. You want to take any root that's squishy or dark, brown, smelly, just cut that off with some scissors. And you want to give it a good wash as well. Here, I'm cutting off all the root rot. Oh my god. It had root rot, but it had don't worry because your cutting will have some good white new water roots. After that, I'm gonna wash it really good. Okay, you guys, so here I wanted to show you that I did lose quite a bit of roots due to root rot, but it's okay because your cuttings that you put in water should have developed new water roots, which are going to replace the soil roots that you once had. And these new healthy water roots will grow and expand in the pot in no time, meaning that you won't require no more soil. We're going to use the Leca. You're not going to have any more pests or worms. So that's so exciting, you guys. And I was able to get all my big leaves into one pot. Here, I'll show you how to pot it up. Okay, you guys, when it comes to Leca, I like using containers or pots that have holes. I know other YouTubers have used glass containers without holes and they might have been successful. I tried that, it didn't work for me. So I like using holes. So it's whatever you think you can achieve, but I know that I need holes for air circulation, airflow. Your plant won't rot, the roots won't rot. So I go with holes every time. Anyways, you want to fill your container about 3/3 of the pot with leca, or just depending on how the root system is of your plant and how big your plant is. But the key here is that you don't want the roots to touch the water container that we're gonna put in the bottom. So you add a little bit of leca to separate the roots from the water. So here, establishing, setting up the plant on top, make sure it doesn't fall, center it right. You can add a moss pole or any pole for security. I haven't yet. And here I'm just putting washed leca. You want to wash your leca because leca is made of clay, and clay, they're basically clay balls and they have dust, and the dust builds up and it can clog the roots, which won't help them grow. It can also clog your sink, so be careful. Here, I'm putting more leca. The only con about leca is that it might be a bit pricey. I get a big bag for $30, but this is a big plant, so it took maybe a fourth of my leca. So that's just one little warning about leca. But in conclusion, I love Leca because you reduce pests. It just looks so much prettier. It's fun. And you can go, like I said in my first video, you can go on trips. I literally potted this up about a month ago and only watered it about every third week. Anyways, here I'm showing you guys how to water it. So it took me about 3 water bottles, 3 or 4. And here I'm adding Super Thrive, and you want to read the back of the instructions. I just put, I think, 4 water drops. Just read the back. So here's my brand new Monstera Deliciosa in Leca. What do you guys think? Isn't she a beauty? So you guys, that concludes the video, and I here have her. She is beautiful, she is gorgeous, she's living life, and I don't have to worry about soil anymore or any pests or anything like that. So if you guys want to see more videos of me putting more of my plants into Leca, let me know. Comment below, like this video. I definitely would love to film more and experiment with you guys. Let me know if you guys now would love to have now like plants, because I know a lot of people say they'll kill their plants. They don't have time for plants. They don't want to deal with bugs. So Leca is literally the way to go, you guys. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you on my next video. you.